Niti Aayog meeting underway in Delhi. PM Modi's big message to all the states. Prime Minister Modi says need to speed up development. Congress lashes out at the centre over Niti Aayog meet. Congress says bonds of social harmony being destroyed. It's a key Niti Aayog meet taking place in the national capital, where you expected representatives of all states to put forward their demands, and a war of words has already begun between this centre and certain non-BJP ruled states. Let me remind you what the Prime Minister has said in the ongoing meet. Prime Minister Modi has said that India has to increase the speed of development. That's the message that's gone on to all states. He also has gone ahead and told all chief ministers and union ministers that if the centre and all the states come together and work together like Team India, no goal is impossible. So development at the heart of this meeting that's taking place in the national capital. Meanwhile, Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party and several other leaders have cornered the government on this meeting. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has gone ahead and asked as to what kind of developed India will it be when the people in power are busy destroying the fabric of social harmony through their own words and actions. So the Congress not happy with some of the comments being made in this meeting. Remember earlier the Congress party had said, and these comments were made by the Congress ahead of this meeting, that called the Niti Aayog as the most incompetent body ever, and it's full of hypocrisy and diversion is what the Congress party had said in the build-up to this key meeting. Shreya has more details on this. Shreya, could you tell us what exactly is it that the opposition primarily is miffed with as far as the meeting is concerned? Is there a fund allocation perhaps that's not gone their way?
You know, this is something, Harshit, that we've been seeing since the last few Niti Aayog meetings that have been happening. Mostly non-BJP states have had the problem suggesting that fund allocation is a problem. But so far as what the Prime Minister has said, he said that this is a time to speed development and we together have to work like Team India. So this is a message that the Prime Minister has for now given to all the states.
As the Prime Minister also in his comments outlined what steps should be taken to achieve this goal?
Well, what he basically is underlying is that at least one tourist destination for every state has to be aligned with the global standards. So what they're basically trying to suggest is that all the facilities and infrastructure in these tourist destinations of every state together, if they work for that, then it will be like a one state, one global destination, so that it will also become one of the reason for development for all the neighboring cities as tourist points. So this is a focal point that the Prime Minister has brought forth before all the states. It would be interesting how everyone responds to it, but this is a collective mission that the Prime Minister is hinting at, where all the states, if they work together, it will be about one nation, but it will also be actually developing the resources of each state, given that these tourist destinations that the Prime Minister is highlighting should be equal to all the infrastructure and development of global standard levels.
As far as the non-BJP ruled states are concerned, Shreya, what's the attendance like? Have there been representation or representatives from all non-BJP ruled states, or have some gone ahead and given this meeting a miss?
We have seen many chief ministers give this a miss. Harsh. However, we've also seen non-BJP CMs that include the likes of Karnataka. They have also participated in this Niti Aayog meeting concern. But if we talk about the details of it, what the Prime Minister has holistically trying to give a message is about a development that would work together for a country, but it could also be a respective development of each of these. So this is something that the Prime Minister has highlighted. We'll also see how the respective states, especially the ones who are not participating in the meeting, how they react to, because that will be interesting. Because in the previous Niti Aayog meetings, Harshit, we've always seen that this has been a problem into politics rather than a development project that's worked together. Because earlier as well, we've seen non-BJP state CMs not being part of the meeting, and they have subsequently sent out messages in the media as well as letters to the Prime Minister highlighting that the main point of contention is central funds not releasing. So that stays, that hasn't really changed. But irrespectively, this messaging is more about developing India as a global tourist hub, because that's clearly one of the directions that we can directly reach from what the Prime Minister is wishing to highlight.
For our viewers joining right now, Shreya, could you also reiterate some of the opening comments made by the Prime Minister? There was, I believe, an emphasis on entrepreneurship and an accelerated pace of development.
Well, yes. What is the development was one of the main key focus that the Prime Minister was hinting at. And this is something not just economic development, but infrastructure development that would be a long withstanding thing. Subsequently, when we talk about developing entrepreneurs, you remember even earlier we've heard similar statements coming from Piyush Goyal as well during the startup festival that he organized, that every individual in the country will have to holistically put together ideas that would also put your country at the top. And that's the similar thing that the Prime Minister is highlighting about how entrepreneurs should come up with new developing ideas. And AI has always been a focal point of this government, particularly that we also do know, Harshit. But not just that, here the Prime Minister is talking about infrastructure development, economic, and as well as that translates into global tourist hubs in every state in this country.
Appreciate your joining us, Shreya, and sharing all those details with us.